Challenge 3. Let's see. We'll attack. Make sure we're not on Ruby. We're going to come over and soften it up a little bit. We're going to use Devouts and Absolvers. Just soften it up so we get less damage. Because Devouts and Absolvers don't take much damage from these guys. Devouts and Absolvers will kill the tanks really well, so that's good for that. Alright, send them back. And of course, you're in lag. Stupid game has so much lag. Alright, now, let's take him out. See what else comes forward. Kill that. Alright, come on. Come on, get up here so we can kill you. Alright, that's good enough for now. And of course we have lag again. Can't retreat them. We're going to bring in our Soul Runners. We're going to see if we can get rid of some of the troops over here. You want to draw them out because it's easier to kill them out here than it is in there. Shock it and then it won't shoot you anymore. See if we can draw somebody else out. Come on, get out here. All right, that's enough of that. Let's send some Devouts in. We'll send it. This is 8 Soul Runners. Different tune. See if we can clear out some of this baloney. Come on. Get some more of these guys over here. Best way to kill these tanks is with your Soul Runners, because they'll shock them and they'll stop them in their tracks. Stay away from the rail. All right, now we will send Devouts in. Again, I have 12 Devouts, 6 Absolvers, 3 different tunes. They are great for killing rails and overwatches. They'll shock the tanks so that the tanks won't shoot anymore. And they don't take a lot of damage. All right, let's make it happen. Shock the tanks as quickly as you can. Come on. Stupid thing is locking up on me again. Alright, Soul Runner should do the rest. These things here are the most dangerous, so we'll get them first. And the base is cleared. Now it's your turn. Go and do it.